that's a finesser that betrayed somebody. Yeah, they feel betrayed because they was generous to this distorted feminine. They play some sort of game when it comes to siblings, family members. They were all projecting that you married somebody or that somebody was marrying a gold digger and you was in a toxic connection.
They're pro-projectors.
Somebody was projecting it. What's betrayal?
They've learned from the best, you know, news growing off.
This person was very disloyal.
Even Albanese.
Somebody feel betrayed.
People say that he lies and that, but he gets what he wants. So what's he showing everybody? Kids can look up and say that to you teachers. Well, we're learning from the best.
They know you love yourself because they constantly spy on you.
Happy to debate about that. Plenty of news people are and plenty aren't. Depends on the payroll, isn't it? Because that's what it's all about. The payroll. There's no honour. There's no respect. There's no doing it right. It's payroll against payrolls, isn't it? Mainly.
Yeah. How one perceives knowledge, rules, communication, and someone's social life and generosity. They're seeing this person as a clout chaser. They're trying to chase clout off of somebody that's gorgeous. They feel trapped in the mental prison because people are severing ties because they see this person as wanting what you have.
What made a third world country? They get too far behind. Huge debts and no way of getting out of it. Means no factories, not much of anything. Holy shit! Australia, you're nearly there.
Were very jealous in their friends group, and they had no limit to how far they would go to do something to an earth angel, or for people to believe that an earth angel.
That's why I say friends. You know what I mean?
In a third party situation.
Whoever backs up or agrees with people, pretty much a friend.
Destroy your character or something.
They turn up with notes that you don't even know, and then hit you for it. Yeah. After saying they won't, they smile in your face.
Maybe what they do for work, okay, it has a lot to do.
Anyway, have a good one.
With loving,
and let's find out more about Great Victoria in Australia, what they do to their citizens with disability.
What they do on a routine is be a slacker. Someone who avoids doing the work and prioritizes the